Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Vinny, the Organized Guy. Ever feel like you just have a ton of things to do around your house when it comes to organizing and decluttering and you just never know how to get yourself started? Well, I understand. I want to share with you my suggestions on how to create a home project organizing list. So let's get started. Begin with, take a tour of your house. Walk around, you go from room to room, take a pad and a pencil with you and write down the rooms that you're in and all the tasks that have to get done, big and small. After you've done this, now you want to prioritize it. What spaces do you want to do in what order? Then you also want to add some timelines. You want to make it in a timely fashion, but you don't make it so tight that it creates pressure. I always like to suggest doing things on, say, a monthly basis or even a quarterly basis. This way, you're accountable, but it's not so tight that as things change and shift that, you can't move and, you don't want to put yourself under stress. And then finally, you just want to go through and execute that plan and go ahead and go through everything until it's all done. And really, when you finish with everything, I always encourage people, pat yourself on the back. You did a good job. You got it accomplished. So you really should kind of celebrate that, your success on finishing each project as you go through it. As always, I hope that the suggestions I provide give you some encouragement. And I always like to hear your feedback on the comment section of the videos that I put out. And if you need some additional support and information, I'd love to hear from you. You can visit me at my website at www.theorganizedguy.com. And I'd love to hear from you. And until we meet next time, thank you.